top Biden administration appointee made a stop in St. Paul today to announce protections against predatory home lending practices targeting largely immigrant communities. Danny Spiewak spoke with the head of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau about what's being done. Danny?
Lauren, this issue exploded into public view a few years ago when the local nonprofit Sahan Journal worked with ProPublica to publish an investigation on these predatory practices. Now it's catching the attention of top state and federal lawmakers.
For many immigrants in the U.S., buying a home is a huge step.
And reach the American dream of being independent.
But here in the Twin Cities, community leaders like Fortune Welly say this dream is being exploited.
And it needs to be stopped.
Welly says she's worked with more than 100 Somali families who've lost money on a home lending practice known as contract for deed, where a buyer pays the seller directly without a mortgage from a bank. While that's an attractive option for those with lower credit or who can't pay interest rates due to religious practices, the prices are often highly inflated.
So then they buy the home, put $100,000, $200,000 in, and within a few months they're evicted because they cannot pay the.
According to a report made public Tuesday by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or CFPB, more than 1,800 contracts for deed were signed in Minnesota in 2021.
We initially found some of this targeting the local Somali community here.
CFPB Director Rohit Chopra, a Biden appointee, announced action on Tuesday at a hearing in St. Paul.
There's problems in other cities, and we want to stop it before it spreads further.
The CFPB has now issued an advisory opinion clarifying that contracts for deed fall under the same federal protections as mortgages. That means sellers have to make sure a buyer can afford the home, must disclose all financial terms, and can't charge huge lump sums at the end.
Many people who peddle this product, they think they can sidestep federal mortgage protections. Those long-standing consumer protections apply.
Minnesota's U.S. Senator Tina Smith has introduced a bill with a Republican co-sponsor to add federal protections around these contracts for deed. And at the state level here in Minnesota, the legislature passed its own law earlier this year to create protections across the state. Back to you.